Well, I'll tell you what, this weekend, not the best to really barbecue it up for a lot of folks. It's not typical barbecue season yet, but here in Cleveland, we barbecue all year round.
Indoor with a ham, maybe, is the
Indoor
way to go.
crock pot ham.
There you go.
That's a possibility. Grilled ham. You can grill outside in this weather. We do it all the time. But I'll tell you, we do have some shower chances that are coming in. We'll have showers moving in through the morning, and once we get into the evening, we are expecting clouds and showers. Temperatures will be in the 50s. For right now, the radar is clear. We may have some drizzly spots, but more likely than not, it is fog that is beginning to thicken across northern Ohio. Half-mile fog reported right now around Dover. 2.5-mile visibilities for Mansfield, for Worcester, right around 3 Akron, Canton. This is spreading northward as we have more moisture that is coming in this cool air that we have been stuck in. And as we go through the night tonight, overall, the visibilities will be rather variable depending upon where you go. But to start the day tomorrow, we will likely still have some widespread light to moderate fog, but you can see by about noon or so, that should really start to break up nicely. And then once we get into the evening, a lot of this type of visibility scenario that you're seeing here with it all over the place, well, that is basically a sign of rain that is coming in. And we do have plenty of moisture that is inbound right now. All of this is out ahead of a frontal boundary that has been draped across the lower Mississippi River Valley. We'll continue to see this big push of moisture. Look at all these flood watches that extend clear into southern Ohio. Meanwhile, the rumbly weather is off to the south. Still have a severe thunderstorm watch down there in southern Texas, and tornado watches are lingering at this hour in Mississippi. But for the most part, these thunderstorms are fading. That's the good news. Now, we not only have this one front to talk about, but a secondary front back here. This is the one that will more than likely get your attention come Friday, because temperatures will be cool. So with the big push of moisture, we also get a bit of a push of heat. Then that secondary front sweeps in tomorrow night and drops our temperatures on Friday. A little topsy-turvy in your hour-by-hour forecast. We will have the rain moving in for the start of the day tomorrow. Note that the temperatures are in the 40s for the most part, 50s farther south, but watch what happens as we go through the morning. We get a bit of a break, and look at the temperatures that jump into the 60s south of Cleveland. Meanwhile, we're still at 46 downtown, and it's 40 in Sandusky. Remember, this little bubble of warm air that's coming along with this moisture will not cover the entire area. We'll have a bit of a boundary that is set up. That boundary then will slide south as we go through the afternoon. So 3 o'clock temperature in Akron about 60. By 5 it'll be 46. We have a chance for a few rumbles of thunder farther south. And tomorrow night the scattered rain showers continue, and as some cooler air begins to push in toward Friday morning, look at that. Little rain-snow mix potential to begin the day on Friday. The good news is that should start to move out and we'll get a bit of a break. But look at these temperatures for Friday afternoon. We're only going to be topping out in the low to mid-40s. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. Rain likely for tomorrow and some fog to go in with that, and even a chance for a few rumbles of thunder, especially south. I think we may get into the 50s in Cleveland, but remember that boundary is going to be set up. All of us much cooler Friday. Only low 40s, little rain snow mix in the morning. Another chance for rain snow mix changing to snow Saturday night into Sunday with a little clipper system coming through. Then we get a bit of a break. So partly cloudy on Monday. Rain chances, though, do return on Tuesday. That is one spring looking forecast.
A little bit of it all. Betsy, thanks.